scene now?
Now I'm going to show you 3 solutions. They're very exciting. I'm going to start with the first one. The first one is a company called ThinkDeep, and they use NVIDIA technology, the GPU, accelerated compute. They use our NIMS, which is an LLM and RAG components to process large amount of documents in cities and local government and any enterprise. What do they do with this? Whatever they want. Here they want to show one use case of the many use cases, which is about fraud detection and abuse of funds. So I'm going to ask them to give you like a 30 seconds demo because it's very fascinating what the technology can do.
I'm excited.
Yeah, so actually with Deep Brain, public servants can create assistants that are able to process millions of documents and to answer questions, to either detect fraud, summarize very complex text, low text, to answer a question for the taxpayer, to explain how some specific procedure works. I think it also helps to speed up the document processing, because before that it took them one week or 2 weeks to process one document, and now it takes about 1 hour, even less so than 1 hour to process one file for one people. So they are able, thanks to Deep Brain, they are able to process a lot more documents way faster and help help the public and the taxpayer in the end.
And it is used by government or by companies?
Both. We've got customers in the public sector. We've got public administration that use it. These are cities, seaports, airports, ministries of finance, and we've also private customers that use it for their own internal needs.
All right.
So
thank you very much.
Thank you.
The next stop is going to be on Aquila. Aquila is a partner of NVIDIA that works in the world of physical AI. They combine multiple technology. Technology number 1, computer vision, where they take feed from cameras. Technology number 2 is digital twin. They use NVIDIA Omniverse. In the first part, they use NVIDIA Metropolis frameworks. Then they use Omniverse to reinforce the digital twin with the physical world data. And then they use generative AI to reinforce and then to interact with the model. So why do they do it? They do it because they deliver energy efficiency. They do better management of the operation of a physical space. Why don't I let him give you a 30-second quick example about why it's impactful and show you some of the outcome that is very impressive.
So basically what we do here is actually a smart building view completely. So we have been optimizing buildings in order to generate savings in operation. And we now extend it to the campus side. So we're able to do from safety analysis, energy analysis, operation management. So the different teams, actually event organization, facility team, they're all using the same dashboard, the same tool to navigate through the assets. And as they are not always expert, the idea is to make sure that they are able to query question about their campus without having super expert, but we are able to go down to critical equipment status because we have all analysis done by equipment, by cameras. So we're mixing that into one data set, which is basically the copycat of the reality, elevated to be easy to interpret by the different teams.
I think Berlin Airport didn't use your solution.
Actually, maybe not, but then it's just a question of time. So maybe we should give a call.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The third one is a very impressive solution. The third solution is about IKM and a company called K2K. And what K2K did is they create the brain for the city. And the brain for the city is basically taking all these data, CCTV cameras, sensors data, etc., and then fine-tune a VLM model. What you can talk to the city. So you can ask questions like, do I have waste on the street that I need to pay attention, or alert me when you see someone throwing waste in a legal location, or
if you're searching something.
You don't, even if you don't need to search, you can instruct the AI to alert you when they want. And what you're seeing here is basically is the model is actually detecting fires and popping up an alert, right? So that's basically when you use the generative AI. They use NVIDIA NIMS VSS, video search and summarization. They use Cosmos reasoning and Cosmos fine-tuning. And then they use our accelerated compute to process the data. They anonymize the data to be compliant with the AI Act and what. So that's a lot of compute happening there in real time or offline. Another example where we have a city saying, hey, I have animal activists saying, I don't want horses to be operating in high temperature weather between 12 noon and 4 p.m. Easy, tell the AI that. And the AI will understand the temperature level, will understand the time, and will say, okay, we have a problem in this area, here is the anonymized picture, whatever you want, whatever the city describes, instructs the AI to tell. So that is a big area for them. They combine computer vision, they combine digital twin, and they combine generative AI to optimize services so the city can produce solution on the fly.
That's really cool, but also a big issue in Germany is the data safety and data security.
Absolutely.
So you anonymize it,
So our technology is the engine that drives that, and it's secure by definition. The implementation by the partner, we have many cities who look with their legal team and technology team they have EU certificate, they are compliant with the AI Act, they are GDPR compliant, so of course the cities need to go through the process to confirm, but that's all done. They can talk to other cities who already went on that journey before them.
Right, amazing solution.
It is indeed amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.